Hello, today I'm doing a review for a diamond painting company on Amazon. This company sent this to me free of charge in order to give them a honest review and to show everyone, what they carry, and to show you the quality of their diamond paintings. Now, they do have different 6-pack diamond paintings. This is the one that they sent me, but they do have different, what is the word I'm looking for? Different pictures, I guess, different themes. They also carry a lot of other diamond painting products. They have partials, they have full drill, they have off canvas, bookmarks, coasters. They just have all kinds of stuff. Y'all just have to go check them out. So these are 30 by 40s. Let me just get these open. So I do like the way that they package them. They have got them not creased, but they are folded in half in order to send them. They're not all rolled. So yeah, that's really, really great. So in this 6-pack, they actually send you 6 toolkits. But the toolkits are standard. It is just a single placer pen, a square of wax, and a green boat. That's all you need to do these. Alright, so it looks like we get 2 packs of drills, and they are round, and they are really pretty. If y'all can see all the colors, there's just a multitude of different, very vibrant, pretty colors. Alright, so again, I like the way that they just kind of roll this over. There's no creases, no nothing wrong with the canvases. So in the first, this first one that is in this 6-pack, and I think this is called Scenery. This is what you're going to get, and it's very pretty. You can see that this diamond painting alone has got 35 colors. For those who are interested in the DMC numbers, they do have those on there. It does look like we're going to get a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols. But it is so pretty. Very clear. They have got dark number symbols on the lighter colors, to where on the dark colors they have got a light symbol. So that's really good. Easier on your eyes. So really good stick. And again, it's very clear. Very clear. So there's one. So here is the second one. I really like this one. This one's really pretty. And again, this one also has 35 colors. And you've also got your item number up here on the top with number 5. So each of them are going to be numbered. So we started with number 6. This canvas is number 5. Again, very clear. Very nice. And I love the colors that are in this. Alright, again, 35 colors on this one. And again, you can see that they have, where all this dark coloring is, they have a light number. So it's easier on your eyes. Now, these are going to be a little confetti heavy, as you can see in here. But there are areas that you can multi-place. And, there's some color blocking in there. Ooh, look at this one. That is really pretty. See, there's quite a bit of color blocking in this one. 35 colors in this one. Very nice. Honestly, there's not anything I see wrong with any of them. I mean, you can see the image clearly. The colors are beautiful. They seem to all have 35 colors. So yeah. See, look, all of that is color blocking. And there's quite a bit of line blocking. So what it is all of the diamonds, you're going to use this for all of these paintings. So if you are going to do number 5 here, it's going to show number 5 is 327, and it looks like all of them are going to be the same. They are. Every one of them. The schematics are exactly the same. So that way you have got all the colors and everything, because number 1 is 161 on all of these. Number 28 is 3746 on all of these, which is Z. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to get your drill. You're going to look over here. You're going to see that you need bag number 28. The color of that bag is going to be 3746, and you're going to do all the Z's in this one. And it's the same for every one of them. So that's pretty good. That's kind of nice, actually, because all you have to do is keep up with these. You don't have 4 sets of, you know, different colors. So, and again, gorgeous colors. So I like this. Like I said, these are really, really pretty, and they have different themes to choose from. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Link will be in my description box for y'all to go check out. They are quite affordable for a 6-pack. So yeah, go check this company out, and I appreciate you watching.